This is a new update and you can create unlimited videos or images AI talking avatar with this particular website. For you to access the unlimited feature on this website, then you need to follow this video step by step. Do not miss any part of this video, because if you miss that, you cannot have the unlimited creation on this website. Use the link in the video description, then you will come to this website. First, you need to sign in with a new Gmail account you haven't used on the Dreamina AI website before. If you don't follow my step, it's not going to work for you.
Hello, make sure you watch this video to the end.
So come down here, click on sign in, and then if you are in any country other than Africa, then you need to use VPN to do this. For this VPN, I'm making use of Windscribe. In your location, you can select any country from Africa. For this, I'm in Nigeria, so I don't need to select any location from here. After setting my VPN, I'm going to click on continue with Google. Just skip anything they are asking you here, and right now you are going to see here you have 0 credits. You can see that the AI video option and the AI avatar option is not enabled, but we are going to enable that right now. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to create your unlimited videos using this website. After signing in, then you go back to your VPN. Right now we are going to change our VPN to any country in the US. So for this, I'm going to use either Atlanta. So let's select that and switch on our VPN. Once our VPN is ready, we are going to go back to the website, and just like that, after turning on our VPN to the country I just mentioned, you can see that we have AI video now enabled and AI avatar enabled. Now we are going to go ahead now to create our AI video, just like what you saw in the beginning of this video. To do that, come here and click on AI video. Here I've just entered my prompt, and from here you can upload a reference image you want to use. Then come down here, click on this AI model, and from here always select the latest model you see inside here. Then here you can select your aspect ratio. There are different aspect ratio you can use here. We have the 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, and the 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, come here and click on this duration. From here we have 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Select anyone you like. For this, I'm going to select 10 seconds, and after that, come over here where you see this 0 credit and click on generate. We just have to wait for our video to generate, and then we'll see the final result of this video. After some few minutes, we have our video ready. Let's open this video. So if you click on the video, look at how the video looks like. So from the prompt which I used, this is how the video looks like. There are a couple of things you can do after creating your video. If you go to the right hand side here, we have interpolate. You can try this feature. It means adding keyframe to your video. Then we have upscale. You can upscale your video. Then you can generate soundtrack under this video. If you come down here, you can edit again, or you can regenerate this video. We are going to try out another prompt, and then we'll see our video result. But before we try out that prompt, let's quickly generate soundtrack and add to this video. To generate your soundtrack, come down here and click on generate soundtrack. Then from here, they are going to ask you generate based on first frame, or you can customize using this option. I'm going to generate based on first frame, so come down here and click on this 0 coin that you see here. After generating our first video, now let's talk about the AI avatar on this website. So come down here, click on where you see your prompt. So over here you can click on the AI video here, and you have option to generate AI image or AI avatar. If I click on AI avatar, they are going to ask me to add my AI avatar image right inside here. So from here, click on avatar, and from here I can upload the image I want to use for this avatar. So let's say this lady's image. I'm going to click on the lady's image, click on open. So the image has been uploaded. So here you can add your speech. If you have an audio file you want to use, you can simply click on this speech, and then you can generate from text, or you can upload an audio file for your avatar image to say. So I'm going to click on generate from text, and then from here I'm going to write in my text I want the avatar to say. So after adding in your text, come down here, and then you can select any voice you want to use from here. Since my avatar character is a female, I'm going to select female, so I can select a female voice from here. You can click on this play option to listen to how the voice sounds like.
Hello, make sure you watch this video to the end.
So if you like that voice, come down here and click on add, and the voice has been added. So you can come down here and click on generate. After some few minutes, we have our video ready. Let's open this video.
Make sure you watch this video to the end.
So that's our video. So what we can do from here, we can either upscale this video or we can regenerate. If you're satisfied with your video, you click on this download option and your video is going to be downloaded. So another quick tip I'm going to give you if you are going to be using this website is this. After following my process I've just explained in this video, if you want to get the exact prompt that people use while generating their video or anything on this website, simply go to the explore option on the website and you're going to see images or videos that people generated. So if you click on one of these, so let's say this particular image, if you click on this image, over the right hand side here you can see the prompt that was used in generating the image. So you can copy the prompt and create this same kind of image or this same kind of video. So you can use prompt or you can remix this prompt to create that same kind of image. And this is how you access this website. You need to hurry now because the website, it might not be free again, so you need to hurry now to access this website. I'll leave the link to everything I've mentioned in this video in the video description so you can check them out.